Today, we introduce a domestic portable nonlinear junction detector, which is widely used to detect hidden eavesdropping, bomb initiation device, and other electronic products. It is a necessary experiment for public security technical investigation, armed police security inspection. Its biggest advantage is that it is easy to use outdoors to perform tasks. Moreover, any electronic product can be detected no matter whether it is switched on or not. The product comprises a portable nonlinear junction detector, a headset, a test sample, a charger, and a USB cable. The portable nonlinear junction detector is mainly composed of a detection unit, a control handle unit, and a battery tank. The detection unit is primarily used for nonlinear junction detection. The control handle unit is mainly used for system parameter setting, while the battery tank is used to supply power to the device. The display unit contains transmitting, second harmonic, and third harmonic receive signal strength indication. It shows two detection states, including detecting and electronic product detected. The central control unit comprises a power key, a transmitting power key, a receive gain key, a sound key, and a vibration key. The screen interface mainly displays the battery power, alarm mode, transmission power, and received second and third harmonic signal strength. The device supports charging using Type-C interface. During charging, the indicator light of the central control switch of the equipment is orange and always on. In the power on state, the battery indicator on the display screen will prompt the charging state. When the equipment stands still for 5 minutes without any operation, the equipment will automatically shut down in order to save power. When the device is in a folded state for 5 seconds, it will shut down automatically to avoid power loss caused by forgetting to power it off.